Experience driving perfection in the 2008 Chevrolet Impala. With just over 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including delay-off headlights, front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, and more. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.